200 series, package 2. Everything that's in stage 1 package is in stage 2 package, which is the Just Autos Custom Remap for the engine. Then we got the Just Autos Custom Remap for the transmission, and also the Just Autos lockup kit. However, in the stage 2 package, we add the Just Autos exhaust system. Now that's a twin 3.5 into a single 4 made by Manta, awesome exhaust. We do have some variations of mufflers and certain system designs that we can alter depending on the noise level that you're after. However, this is definitely lifts to enhance the car, and you definitely start getting that more bang for buck. It definitely is suitable. We run with our multi-mapping systems quite regularly on these cars, and running the multi-mapping in them is definitely something that, again, becomes a lot more playful, gives you a lot more options, and is really good for guys that are touring. Also remember, with any of our packages that we have for the 200 series or any of our models, we have set packages, and we also have recommendations of airboxes, snorkels, and other components that we add, like fan kits and so forth. So if you want any of these things added, by all means, part of the package, you set with the package and we can add these things in for you. It's not a problem. So if you have a 200 series that is stock standard at the moment, you need to come and see us, because the drivability in these cars is tenfold. It's definitely a must, and you know, come talk to the guys and we'll go through it with you.